Welcome to MS General Repair. Today I'm trying to get this hydraulic ram apart for a pallet stacker that's been converted into a kind of a homemade freight elevator. It brings heavy objects from the basement, storeroom and prep room up to the main floor of the building. So we got it. It's leaking fluid out the seals on the gland nut. So I'm trying to get the rod pulled out of it, and then take it over to the hydraulic shop and have the seals matched up and put it back together and reinstall it if all goes well. I already got the gland nut broke loose without too much trouble, and so far the ram is sliding out fairly easily. So we'll see if that continues. Okay, so I think I'm going to pause this a minute. I'm going to try and tie a piece of rope onto the end of that ram, because it's kind of a awkward length. It's 4 or 5 feet long, 4 feet long anyway, and I don't want it to fall down on the ground, so I'm going to see if I can tie it off so it can't fall when it comes out of there. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've got it tied off, so we'll see if we can get that the rest of the way out of there. Okay, well that worked out well. The rope did its job and prevented it from being able to slam down into the ground. So now basically we'll just see if we can see what there is to see on the seals and head for the hydraulic shop to go match up some parts. Okay, so I've got the ram set up in the tripod vise now. I put an old leather belt in there to protect the rod from the jaws and from the clamping chain. And now we'll see if we get that nut to come off the end of it. Oh, that was pretty good. There's the nut and the washer. And the seal pack I'm going to take to the hydraulic shop just the way it is. And there's another deteriorated seal. Looks like that one's just an O-ring. Right there. Got this sleeve. I'm not exactly sure what its mission is. It's just some kind of a spacer or what, I'm not sure. And then the gland nut seems to just have a, or I guess it's a wiper and a single O-ring to to seal that up. This cylinder operates on a power extend and gravity down, or gravity in. So anyway, it's off to the hydraulic shop.